Today we're making low-carb moussaka or eggplant lasagna. Our version differs from a regular lasagna because we're using eggplant in place of the lasagna sheets, which really helps to cut down those carbs. Right, let's get started. Screenshot these ingredients. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First we want to slice the eggplant nice and thin. You probably want each slice to be about 3 millimeters thick. Just make sure that each one is about the same. This will help with even cooking. Lay out the slices on a lined baking sheet. Brush with oil and season with salt and pepper. Then bake in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until tender. Next up, we're going to dice the onion. Then grab your grater and grate the carrot. And then grate the courgette or zucchini also. While you're doing this, don't forget to check on the eggplant and take it out of the oven when it's done. Set it aside for later. Next we're going to add some olive oil to a large frying pan or skillet, heating over a medium heat. Add the onion and saute for a few minutes. Add the garlic and continue to saute until the onion is browned. Then you're going to break up the ground beef and add it to the pan. Give it a stir and continue breaking it up with a spoon. Cook the ground beef for a couple of minutes until browned. Next up, we're going to add the tomatoes and the stock. If you don't have any chicken stock or beef stock, you can just add water. Give it a good stir to make sure the tomatoes and stock are well combined. Then we're going to add the tomato paste and give it a good stir. Next we're going to add the spices: paprika, cumin, cinnamon, nutmeg, and the Italian herbs. You can play around with the quantities according to your personal taste here. You could even add some chili or some cayenne pepper if you like a bit of heat. Give it a good stir to make sure all of those spices are well combined. Let the beef simmer for a few minutes. Add the carrot. Then add the courgette or zucchini. Give everything a good stir, then turn the heat down and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the sauce has thickened. While it's simmering, season with salt and pepper. Then taste a little bit of the sauce and add a little bit more of the spices if you think it's needed. Next we're going to make the cheese layer. Place the mascarpone in a large bowl, add the cream cheese and the egg. Use a fork to mash the ingredients together until well combined. You're looking to get the consistency of a smooth paste here. Okay, now it's time to assemble the lasagna. Spoon half of the beef mixture into a baking dish and spread it out evenly to cover the base. Layer on half of the eggplant slices. Repeat with the remaining beef mixture and then the remaining eggplant slices. Spoon the mascarpone cream cheese mixture on top of the eggplant and spread it out evenly, kind of like icing a cake. Make sure you get it into all four corners. Top the mascarpone with grated cheddar cheese and parmesan if you have it. Bake in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until golden on top and bubbling. Remove from the oven and allow to rest for a good 5 to 10 minutes before serving. We hope you enjoy it.